Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. I was at the golf course the other day, and one of the fellas, Dave, was nice enough to be handing out some of his homegrown zucchinis. That inspired me to do my zucchini parmesan. It's baked, it's in a casserole dish, it's delicious. You're gonna love it. Let's get to it. For this casserole, I'll need 24 slices of zucchini. My first cut will allow me to lay the zucchini flat and then just simply slice them up into 1/4-inch slices. I used 4 zucchinis to complete this. I'll be using a 10 by 14-inch baking dish. Now for our coating on our zucchini, we'll need 2 cups of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs and 2 eggs well beaten. I'm adding a little extra seasoning to the breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of granulated onion powder. Make sure that's all mixed well before we start our coating. Our first step is to dip it into the wet mixture and then simply roll it into the dry mixture. It's that easy. Press it down gently so you get a good coating on the outside. The zucchini strips are all coated. We'll set that aside for a moment and then get to our mozzarella cheese. Cut it up into about 1/8 slices. We'll be layering this all together similar as you would a lasagna. Well, now let's do some cooking. In a pan on a medium to high heat, coat the bottom of it with olive oil. You can test to see if it's hot enough by dropping in a breadcrumb. When it starts bubbling, you can start laying in the zucchini. And it only takes 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side of the zucchini until you get it a nice golden brown. Have a cookie sheet with some paper towels on it, and when they're done, simply lift them out and lay them on top of the paper towels just to help get rid of some of the excess oil. Depending on how saucy you like it, you'll need 2 to 3 cups of tomato sauce, or I like to use my homemade marinara sauce. You can find that on In the Kitchen with Pete, episode 116. To prevent sticking, we'll apply a light coating of olive oil to our oven dish. And now let's start layering. Our first layer is coat the bottom with some marinara sauce. Next, we'll lay down our zucchini strips. Place 8 of them, as we'll be doing 3 layers, so 8 on each layer. Next, we're going to lay down our mozzarella cheese. And then we'll top that off with some fresh grated Parmesan. There's nothing like the fresh grated, and it lasts for months in your fridge. Then next, we'll add another 8 zucchini strips. As you can see, I've crossed them the opposite way. That just helps when you're cutting. And next, marinara sauce. Spread that around evenly with a spoon, and then more mozzarella cheese. And then on top of the mozzarella, some more fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Coming up next, yep, you guessed it, our last layer of zucchini strips. And again, I crossed them the opposite way of the previous layer. Next is our last layer of marinara sauce. And then our last layer of grated Parmesan. Now we can cover it up with tin foil, and we'll get that into a preheated 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove it from the oven. Set your oven on a high broil. I will take that tin foil off, and now we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. We want to get this nice and brown, gooey, chewy. It's going to be so delicious. Back into the oven on high broil for 10 minutes or until it's golden brown like this. Look at it bubbling away. Fresh out of the oven. Oh my, your guests are gonna love this. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes before you start cutting. And then pull out a piece and look at how gooey and delicious this is. Makes my mouth water just looking at it. Oh yeah. When you serve it up for folks, it's always nice to put a fresh little piece of basil on it. Gives it a nice presentation, don't you think? Zucchini is so plentiful. Any time of year you can find it in the grocery stores. Give this a try. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh man, gooey, cheesy. Oh, wow. This is delicious. The zucchini still has a bit of a crunch. All the Parmesan and mozzarella and that marinara sauce. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya!
Well, it ain't easy living life the way I do. It ain't easy, baby, living life the way I do. Well, if you don't love me, baby, please don't pretend you do.